We already have many companies like 3D Shoes, Adidas, Nike and New Balance joining the world of 3D printed shoes. Just when I thought we couldn't have any more big names joining the industry, Under Armour proved me wrong. Additive manufacturing, or AM, has caught their attention due to its flexibility. Though sometimes, the flexibility of AM is higher priced than the speed of it. Under Armour is set to release some of its Architect 3D printed shoes this month. This release will consist of 96 shoes to celebrate Under Armour's 20th anniversary, and the shoes will have 3D printed uppers and midsoles. However, you may want to save up if you hope to purchase a pair of these, as they will each be priced at $299.99 a pair. So why did AM spark their interest so much? Well, the company stated that the lattice weave structure of the heel would be better to produce financially using 3D printing technology. Creating the same blend of support and cushion using a traditional molding would require that they invest in a great amount of new tools. Additive manufacturing shows potential to make each shoe fit its owner practically perfectly. Shoes could be made to fit every angle and shape of customers by making a 3D scan of their foot. 3dshoes.com and other companies are already showing scanning technology for this. Not only will this provide more comfort than handmade shoes, but also it will help people with high arches, flat feel, and other podiatric problems. Under Armour plans to reveal edition 3D printed shoes later this year. They foresee a day in the future where every shoe is produced using a 3D printer.